Hi everyone, let's go to Tygoon Lagoon and Park. Let's see what's in here. Ito ay project ng Brisbane Council. So, yung park nila dito ay may ihawan. During weekdays, wala masyadong tao kasi nasa school yung iba nasa work. Ang ganda dito for makaka-relax ka kasi may lagoon. You can also do fishing but not encouraged. Tapos, hindi ka din pwede magpakain sa mga ibon, geese, and maraming ibon dito like corellas and different birds. Nakakatawa sila. Meron ding malaking
We'll have a go at the geese. No matter how many, look, see?
Dalawa itong pero ngayon, isa na lang.
They're afraid for one swan.
So, the swan are made out of two all the time. Siguro namatay yung
The swan saying, this is my area.
Get out of here.
You can see
They were in different color, but they're in one group. The geese.
Yep. Babe, males are different colour to the female.
Ah, okay. That is male and female.
No, you got to look. See, some of the white ones are male. The ones that stick their head right up and have a go. See the big ones? Those two there, they're big.
They were
They're
male.
usually males.
Okay. Oh, good to see you.
I'd say that the male was a coloured and the female was a white. So they get coloured and white babies.
There is bird. There is. Ah, they're flying there. Oh, so many.
What?
On the.
Corellas.
Hindi makorellas on the. Nakita niyo ba? On the tree. So many. There are many.
There's a lot of them.
Around the
They're normally
branches.
over there at the park, full of them trees over there. But they come here sometimes.
I wonder why there's a lot of like that. Maybe there's a party here last night.
Like what?
That one, no? It's
Because
confetti.
They've mowed the lawn and it chops it up and it spreads it everywhere.
No, the blue one. It's like a confetti.
It's a plastic bag that the mower's gone over. I haven't spoken to Janice for a bloody long time. I have to speak to her, say hello, she would think I'm dead. She sent me an email the other day. Saying hello.
I hope they're fine. No more mishap or no more accident.
Big families you have that. Always problems. Jane is okay. Now she got sick. Don't know what was going on with her. And the eldest son, Kent, he's back now. So maybe he help. I think he's going back to school. So I was going to say maybe he help around the house, but very lazy. He likes to work, but he doesn't like to work at home. It's good when he was working because he was able to get us money to help.
Keep flying. I want to watch. Keep flying. I missed to catch it. There are many a while ago, Bob. Just wait. It's against the light. Daming ano dyan, oh, ibon. Hi! Yan na ibon. Dami nila. Come on! You're not coming down. There you go. There. Got it. They're mating, I guess. Mating. Ang dami. There you go. What bird are they, Bob? What the name of that bird?